How to use Amazon Fire TV. If you're staying at a guest house with an Amazon Fire TV already set up, follow these steps to enjoy your favorite shows and apps. 1. Turn on the TV and Fire TV. Use the TV remote to turn on the television. Ensure the TV is set to the HDMI input where the Fire TV is connected. Wake the Fire TV. If the Fire TV doesn't automatically display, use the Fire TV remote and press any button to wake it. 2. Navigate the Fire TV interface home screen. Once the Fire TV is on, you'll see the home screen with options for apps, shows, and movies. Use the navigation buttons on the Fire TV remote to browse the menu. Sign in or guest mode. If the Fire TV is logged into a guest house account, you can browse and stream available content. If required, you can sign into your personal Amazon account to access your subscriptions. Select the settings icon, then choose Account and Profile Settings. Add account. 3. Search and watch content. Search for shows or movies. Use the voice button, microphone button, on the Fire TV remote to say what you want to watch. For example, play The Office. Alternatively, navigate to the search icon on the home screen and type in the title. Browse categories. Explore categories like movies, TV shows, or apps to find something to watch. Open streaming apps. Select the Apps tab to open popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+. You may need to log into your own account for some apps. 4. Control playback using the remote. Play pause button. Starts or pauses the video. Fast forward, rewind buttons. Skip ahead or back in the content. Navigation buttons. Use these to move through menus or adjust playback. Voice commands. Press and hold the microphone button to give commands like pause, rewind 30 seconds, go to Netflix. 5. Log out if you signed in. Log out from apps. If you logged into your personal accounts, like Netflix or Amazon, be sure to log out before leaving. Open the app, go to the account or profile settings, and select Sign Out. Deregister your Amazon account. If you added your Amazon account to the device, go to Settings, Account and Profile Settings. Deregister account. By following these steps, you can easily enjoy Amazon Fire TV during your stay at the guest house and ensure your accounts remain secure when you leave.